Alright, what's up guys? So I know I said I was going to post a video the other day, but some stuff happened, and instead of keep posting live TV apps and all that, I figured I'd give you guys something else, something good working for movies and TV shows. And you're not going to see it here now because I don't have it. I figured I'm going to go with a step-by-step for you guys, so I deleted it so we can go over every single thing that's going to occur to download it. So don't get, when you see this stuff, oh, I already have it. No, it's not here. So first we're going to want to come up to the top, go to settings. From settings, go to My Fire TV, My Device, whichever it may be. Go to developer options. Make sure ADB debugging is turned off. Apps from unknown sources is turned on. Go ahead. Press the back button. And now go to preferences. Now go to privacy settings, because if all three of these aren't turned off, technically you're giving them permission. Whether you have a VPN or not, you're giving Amazon permission to collect all your data and receive data and all that. So make sure all three of these are turned off, and then you can press the home button. And now with running all this, live TV, movies, any apps, I'm going to recommend IPVanish. And like I said in that short video I did post the other day, they are having a sale. It was initially supposed to be for the 3 months for $13.50 with the encrypted storage, but they actually, for all three of their plans, they're having a sale. For the 1 month it's $5, then you got the 3 months with the encrypted storage is $13.50, and the year I'm not too sure about the price, but that is on sale as well. They're all about like 75% off, at least 70% off, and the year comes with the encrypted storage as well. So instead of just the one deal, you guys are getting three. So go to KODI101.com and check out the deals. And with everything going on right now too, more people having time on their hands, being at home, and or if you guys can't get stuff at the store and you're ordering online, any of the package that you choose to buy, you can put up to 10 devices. So put it on all the phones within your household, all the Fire Sticks, all the laptops, tablets, PS4. I'm not too sure about Xbox, if you're allowed to get a VPN on there or not, but I know on the PS4 you could. But just so all your information's encrypted and you're protected on all fronts, whether or not you're watching stuff, trying to hide it from, service providers, hackers on the computer, or just, making sure all your data, your credit cards are safe while ordering online. So, like I said, it's on my cell phone, and each package is good for up to 10 devices. So everybody in your family, once you buy it, you can put it on all their phones and everybody's good to go. 10 devices, you could use them all simultaneously at once, and it's real easy to get. You just go up here, search IPVanish, go ahead, download it. Once you get into IPVanish, it's going to ask you for your login that you created through KODI101.com once you chose your package. You're going to want to set this up for your country. I just put US because I am in the US. Best available and best available for the city and server. It's going to find the best available server for what you're doing, what you're watching, where you're at, or whatever, anything like that. It's going to get you more sources, and again, it's going to encrypt all your information and block the service provider from seeing what you're actually watching and or doing. Then you're going to go into settings, start up, do that so every time you start up the Fire Stick, it automatically connects. Auto reconnect. Split tunneling. Now if you use Netflix on any devices you plan on putting IPVanish on, go ahead, click this, and like anything like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, you're going to want to check that, because otherwise it won't work with those. So, but I don't use any of those. This Fire Stick I specifically use to show you guys what to put on, or for myself with these third-party APKs and KODI. So, and then go ahead and scramble. Now that we went through all that, again, KODI101.com, it'll be in the description. let's get into this app. We're gonna need downloader, so if you don't have it, easy, go to search, type in, or say downloader. But if you just put D, it's that second one, orange icon, go ahead, download it. Now from there, let's go into downloader. I already typed it out for you guys. There was another, actually this is the second time making the video, because the first time, the one, they took it down, the first site. But go ahead and type in, as you see, http://troypoint.com/t, push the play button, and it's going to download. Now, and especially since we're using downloader by troypoint.com, it's just easier, and they make it so easy. You just type in whatever, usually troypoint.com / and then the name of the app. So it's easier for me too to remember while making these videos, instead of having a notebook in front of me, or rehearsing it a million times. Alright, so now go ahead and press install. Yeah, and I know, like, with everything that's going on, a lot more people are going to be staying home. So I'm going to try to get more videos out on good stuff, because the other video I had planned for the other day, there's something iffy going on with the app that it keeps shutting off in the middle of the video. So I'm not going to, put it out there for you guys, just so I could get a bunch of comments saying, hey, you guys are having the same problem as me. So there's really no point at that point. So I'm going to put out stuff so you guys have stuff to watch, and it works. So, alright, now don't press open yet, press done. Go ahead and delete this, and yes, we want to delete. Press the home button. Now we're going to go to our apps, see all. It's going to be all the way at the bottom. Press the 3 bars, move to front. Going to bring it all the way to the front. Go ahead, click on it now. So let it load up. TTV version 10. Like I said, this has been out for about a year, but this is a newer one. Yes, the disclaimer. Go ahead and accept it. Scroll down. Now choose your language. Mine's highlighted English. Okay. Now you got popular, top rated, on air, airing today, because this is TV shows. So, if you go, all I did was press the over button. Movies. I'm going to type movies. Popular, top rated, upcoming, now playing. I always just stay on popular. And one that I did just watch that I thought was pretty good was this. So let's click on this. Watch now. It tells you the cast, which is pretty cool. And it's going to come up with all your stuff. And over here is going to show you how much it's going to use. Now, if you don't have a VPN, this is going to be a huge red flag if you're watching something, because something like Netflix, if you actually talk when you get your service, and they ask you what you're going to be using it for, it takes like kilobytes to run like Netflix. Maybe a couple megabytes, but when you're talking about 1.2 gigabytes and you're trying to stream these really high files, that's a red flag. So if you do not have a VPN, don't try to, go to the highest one. And all these run good too, so let's try one. We'll pick one at random. Let's try this. Play. Now, if it asks you to download a player, it shouldn't, because most of you guys should have MX or all that. If it does ask you, if this is your first ever app, go ahead and press install if it does prompt you to that. But I had watched this movie on here and a few others. This is a good movie. I suggest you guys check it out if you haven't. It is on Netflix, so it shows you there's Netflix on here. This is a Netflix movie. Like any other app, this could take a few seconds to 30 seconds. But yeah, you just go through all the links and pick the best one for you. Now, chances are if you don't have fast internet, if you go up all the way to the top, those ones that said 1 to 2 gigs, it's going to be choppy. It's going to stop every 30 seconds and stuff like that. But that's all you're going to do. And then if you go down here, it tells you high quality. There's a button for subtitles. Like I said, this could take a little bit to do. So, and let's just click on the lower one. You can download it if you want. And if you have left it, just press start over or resume depending on what you want. I'm just going to see how long this actually takes to play to show you guys that it does work. And of course, that was my dog. I really love it. Wally, come here. Stop. Alright, now you see, that took a little bit longer than usual, but it still did work. That took, I don't know, probably 45 seconds. So still within that minute. And sorry about my dog over here barking. But there you guys have it. Now when you back out, go ahead and press OK. So there you go. And I believe, yeah, related to this movie, it's going to give you other stuff like that. But again, it's real easy. And then there's calendars for the TV. It says HD releases, live TV. I haven't checked this. Playlists are outdated. Would you like to update? Yeah, let's go ahead and find out together what this is. Because I have not checked this part out yet. No playlist is selected. Use. So I'm assuming. Yeah, okay. So I'm not gonna mess with this, but so I'm assuming the live TV portion of this doesn't work just yet, or I'd have to look more into it before telling you guys that. But you know, the movies and TV show portion does work. So, and it does have older movies, and they do work. Unlike some other apps, there'll be older movies on here, and they'll give you like 1 or 2 links that don't work, but this does so far in what I've come across. So, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this. If it works for you, if it doesn't, any issues, write in the comments. I will get back to you, as some of you know I do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.